Traditional banks are robbing you. They give you almost zero interest. But look at this neobank app. Your interest grows in real time. Stop being robbed. Switch today.
This video will expose best high-yield savings accounts in Nigeria that can serve as your investment. Your smartphone is either a tool for distraction or a tool for wealth, and today we're making it the latter. While the big commercial banks are still charging you maintenance fees just to hold your money,
a new wave of Nigerian neobanks is actually paying you to save. It's June 2026, and if you aren't earning at least 15 to 20% on your idle cash, you're falling behind.
I'm ranking the top 5 digital banks that are dominating the market right now. No paperwork, no long lines, just pure high-yield growth. Let's see which app deserves a spot on your home screen. If this is your first time here, hit subscribe and tap the bell. We drop money moves every Tuesday and Thursday on Wealth Empire TV.
Let's be real, the old guard banks are still stuck in 2015. You deposit 500,000 Naira and after a year you get 15,000 Naira interest. That's 1,250 Naira per month. That can't even buy a small suya.
Hold on. That's not savings, that's a donation. Here's the Wealth Empire perspective. Speed and technology are wealth multipliers. A neobank Nigeria app moves money in 3 seconds and compounds interest daily. The traditional bank compounds monthly if you're fortunate.
The difference, over 82,000 in your pocket. That's the cost of staying loyal to an old name.
I know what you're thinking. Is my money safe in an app? It's the #1 question I get in the comments. Your fear is valid, but here is how you check, and I teach this to all my students. First, check whether it has NDIC insurance. NDIC means Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation. And also, if the neobank is CBN licensed, your deposit up to 500,000 Naira is protected by the Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation. Second, check for CBN licensing at the bottom of.
If there is no license, do not download it. Stay to the end and I will give a long list of the neobank Nigeria apps you can choose from. We only rank CBN licensed neobank Nigeria platforms today. If they don't have it, they don't make the list.
Comment safe if you've ever been scared to try a digital bank. I'll reply with my security checklist.
Welcome to the neobank power ranking for 3 to 7. 3.
He's like that.
Number 4.
3.
And the winner? Behold, the utility king, ruler of all bills.
I'm the guy who pays NEPA, DSTV, and airtime for everyone. This neobank gives me 8% cashback on bills, plus a solid 12% on my Naira savings. Not the highest rate, but if you pay bills monthly, it's free money. Best savings app Nigeria for everyday spenders.
Hi, I'm Otto, the automation specialist. Let me optimize your processes today.
I save money while you sleep. Spend 1,950 on food, I round it up to 22,000 and drop 50 into your vault. I save money while you sleep. Spend 1,950 on food, I round it up to 2,000 and drop 50 into your vault.
You don't feel it. After 30 days, that's 8,000 saved without thinking. This is for the have no discipline crowd.
Tech 3, the high-yield hybrid. Half Naira, half dollar. This is June 2026 and the Naira is still volatile. That's why I'm crucial. This platform offers 20% on Naira savings and 6% on USD PEG savings. So when currency fluctuations hit, your USD vault protects you. High-yield savings accounts Nigeria should have both in 2026. I'm the lock-in champion. Locked in and ready to go. You want the highest rates? Lock it up. This app gives you 24% for a 90-day fixed deposit. Perfect for your 1.5-man emergency fund. You can't touch it, so you can't spend it. Discipline by design. Presenting the June 2026 Neobank winner. The Empire Neobank is #1. This is the balance. 22.5% APY on Naira, 0 transfer fees, 0 maintenance fees, and the smoothest UI I've tested. Instant withdrawals 24/7. No hidden charges. For best high-yield savings accounts Nigeria June 2026, this is the winner.
Here's the mistake I see everyone make. They keep all their money in one app. Then they see 200K sitting there and they buy a new phone they don't need.
So here's the fix, the digital split. Use one Neobank Nigeria app for daily spending and bills cashback. That's your phone 1. Use a second app for long-term empire building with the highest APY. That's your phone 2. Out of sight, out of temptation.
Screenshot this strategy and share it to your WhatsApp status. Tag Wealth Empire TV so I can repost it. Pro tip, the digital split strategy. And for currency fluctuations, see how the Naira moves against the USD.
Since we promised both, let's talk currency fluctuations. In 2026, Naira volatility is real. If you keep all
your savings in Naira at 22%, but the Naira drops 10% against the dollar, you've lost purchasing power.
That's why the hybrid app matters. Split 70% in Naira for the high yield, 30% in USD peg savings for stability. When Naira weakens, your USD vault gains value.
When Naira strengthens, your Naira yield compounds faster. That's real protection.
So which of these apps has the smoothest interface for you? I've linked my top choice in the description with my referral code so we both get a 5,000 Naira sign-up bonus. Here's your challenge from Wealth Empire TV, the 30-day savings challenge. Pick one of these best savings app Nigeria options today. Move just 20,000 into it.
Don't touch it for 30 days. Watch it grow and come back here to comment your result.
Subscribe for the July 2026 rate update. Like if you learned something new about Neobank Nigeria. Share this with that friend still using a bank with queues.
Your money should work while you sleep. Make today the day it starts. This is Wealth Empire TV. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Watch this video now. I will see you in there.